Hello, I'm Charlotte Evans, and welcome to Paradigm Tribe. If you're feeling anxious right now, you've come to the right place. Find a comfortable position, and let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold gently for 4. Now exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Feel your shoulders drop, your jaw loosen, your chest soften. Let's repeat. Inhale for 4. Hold for 4. And exhale for 6. With each breath, imagine you're releasing tension, letting it melt away. Now, notice your feet on the floor. Feel the ground holding you. You are safe, right here, right now. Picture a warm golden light above your head. It flows down over your forehead, through your shoulders, into your chest, replacing anxious energy with calm, steady peace. With every exhale, let go of worry. With every inhale, breathe in stillness. Quietly repeat to yourself, I am safe, I am calm, I am here. Let these words settle deep into your body. When you're ready, open your eyes gently and carry this calm into the rest of your day. If this helped you, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Paradigm Tribe so you can return to this peace anytime you need it.